We'll move to our next reaction. So the first question is, this is from preparation of haloalkanes. In this we have used HBr in the presence of peroxide. In the presence of peroxide, you have to give me the major product here. Okay, what will be the major product? Second case, again we are using, this is very simple, the first examples for HBr, and we are not using, there is no peroxide here. Then the third is again from preparation of preparation of haloalkanes, in which we are using alcohols and we are using SOCl2. You have to give me the product. Okay, you have to give me the product. And after that we are going to do some reaction of, now in this particular, the fourth one, there is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction, and you have to give me the product. And further also, the other two, there will be 6 questions. In those 6, you will be asked for nucleophilic substitutions only. I hope you know the drill. You have to write the products, and after you have written the products, you have to send a photo to Nishkarsh sir, and then I will check your answers. Okay.
So can you repeat what you just said?
Sorry, I could not hear you.
Can you repeat what you said now? I didn't hear you
Okay, I
clearly.
said that you have to write the answers here. The question is, draw the major product. Okay, draw the major product. Now when you draw the major product, after drawing that, you have to click a photo, take a photo, and then WhatsApp to Nishkarsh sir. Okay, take a photo and then you can WhatsApp to Nishkarsh sir.
Can I write the answers with pencil?
No, don't write your answers with pencil. Your notebooks are not going anywhere, not going to any pageant competitions. Okay, so you don't need to worry about the beauty of your notebook. Your answers should be correct. That is more important. Or do you all have any that kind of competitions there in Bahrain? Do you have pageant competitions for notebooks also?
No, sir.
No, huh?
Sir, nobody here cares about neatness.
Nobody here
cares about the neatness of the notebook, except for girls.
Except for who?
Girls.
Girl.
Yes, sir. So I've sent the answer.
You have sent the answer, okay. I mean, those who are present here, I mean, I guess, let me see those previous answers. Sania has nice handwriting. I mean, she writes clearly. I would have, I mean, I can ask Amalya to improve on her handwriting. And obviously, Ahmed, you know your situation. I don't have to tell anything, say anything.
Yes, sir. Proud of it.
You're proud of
I
it.
could be a
Okay.
doctor, right? But I did not take bio.
No, you cannot be a doctor. That is a wrong stereotype. You know why doctors write in a very vague handwriting when they are prescribing? Only when they are prescribing. Because those pharmacists, they don't know anything. They can only understand those scribblings. But if you want to write, if you ask a doctor to write something, they will write it in a very beautiful manner. Can you even imagine a biology student having a bad handwriting? You cannot imagine a biology student having a bad handwriting. Those 5 years of making all the anatomical parts of body with such a good drawing, and they will have a bad handwriting. I cannot believe that. Okay, that is. You have not written the first answer. Okay, your
Yes, sir, I
second
don't
answer
know that.
is not right. Your second answer is
Yes,
not
I
right.
know that also.
Okay, so why did you write like that? Okay, then
If
you
I
are
have the correct answer, I'll send it again.
okay, fine. But okay, fine. Yeah, others are correct. Very good. Very good. Organic chemistry is like, I mean, once you once you have spent your ink and time and pages for organic chemistry, after a while you will feel like, oh, fine, I don't knew this from my childhood only. Okay, yeah, Fatima. Okay, fine. What about from here? From third number, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Yes, Fatima. Tell me about.
No, no, I don't know.
You don't know? You were present in the last lecture? No.
No.
Actually, you were present, but you were not. Also, you can turn your pages. I'm not taking a test here. Okay, this is just a practice. I mean, I'm not giving you assignments anymore, so these are just your assignment questions. You can turn your pages. That's fine. But it is still wrong, Ahmed. And now you have added another reagent here.
Yeah,
Why you have
antimony
added
proves
reagent? I'm
true.
not asking.
Near that, the same question was there. HBr
No, no,
peroxide,
no,
and
no.
then second time it was NaOH.
Yeah, but what? Okay, but I'm not giving NaOH now. I'm not given. I have given you the reagents. After, if I tell you that I have added NaOH, then you can make something. But what will be the reaction of alkene plus HBr in the presence of peroxide? And Mariam, Sanya, Amalia, please send your answers. You were present, na? This is from preparation of haloalkanes. And raise your hand when you are done. If you have sent those. Okay, Amalia, I guess, cannot hear anything because she has not connected to audio. Mariam is still doing, and oh, Sanya is not here. Sanya is not here. Okay. I guess Sanya gets disconnected when she leaves that Zoom, I guess. Zoom app. Okay. I have received. Okay, again, Ahmed. Okay, fine. Yeah, that is now it is correct. Now it is correct. But you need to cut that NaOH out, okay? That you have added.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Mariam, can you please tell me if you are sending, if you are doing, if you are having any problem?
Sir, I'm doing.
You're doing? Okay, fine. How much time do you need?
Maybe 2 minutes.
On which question are you right now?
I did the last three. I'm doing the first three.
Okay, fine. And Fatima, are you trying? You can see your notes. So, Amalya, can she hear me? Okay, I guess Fatima is okay. Sanya is coming now. Yes, Sanya, were you able to note the questions down at least?
Yes, sir. I am
Okay.
sending also, but it's not going. I don't know with my net something.
You have sent the answers?
No, like I have sent it, but it's not going. I'll send once again.
Okay. Okay. I'm just waiting for Mariam now because I have not got any response from Amalya and Fatima as of now.
Sir, I don't know too. I'm sending the rest.
Okay, fine. You can send the rest. Okay, so let me explain the first two here. Mariam, can you tell me for the first one whether we'll be getting a Markovnikov product or anti-Markovnikov product?
Anti-Markovnikov.
Anti-Markovnikov products. Okay, anti-Markovnikov product. So what happens in anti-Markovnikov product? The hydrogen is attached to that carbon which has less number of
hydrogen.
hydrogen. So less number of hydrogen is one or two?
In one.
In one. How many hydrogens are there in the carbon labeled as one?
There are only two.
In the first, no. Check properly. I mean, this carbon is already making how many bonds? 3 bonds it is making, no?
Oh yeah. Okay. One.
It has how many hydrogens?
Has one.
One. Okay. I CH3. Then there will be C. There will be H. Double bond. Then here there will be CH2. Right. This will be the formula for the substrate. So the numbers which are labeled as 1 and 2 are also the number of hydrogens on these two carbons, okay, the double bonded carbon atoms. So we will get hydrogen on the carbon containing lesser number of hydrogens and Br on the other side. And for this one, it will be Markovnikov. So from M, I will say that hydrogen will get attached to the carbon which has more number of hydrogen, and Br will get attached to the other carbon. Okay, I've got a chat. Okay, yes, Amalya can hear me now. Okay, fine. Now for this one, this is very easy. This is one of those important reaction of preparation of haloalkenes. Why it is important? Can somebody tell me why it is important?
I don't know.
Can you please check your notebook and tell me why it is important while I'm doing the rest one? Turn your notebook, turn the pages.
Because 1Cl is getting cancelled.
Cancelled?
Like
Is this
we
math?
are just using
Is this maths?
1Cl, right? From
Is this maths getting cancelled?
From
Neither this is
SOCl, we are
Twitter,
just using
nor this is
one,
math.
and OH.
Nothing gets cancelled here. Yes, tell me.
And
No,
OH
no.
is more.
No, there is no OH here. There is no OH here. Wrong answer. Wrong answer.
So OH is there.
I mean, I'm telling NaOH is not here. NaOH is not here. So KCN is here. So in KCN we can either make bond from carbon or we can either make bond from nitrogen because this is ionic. But what happens? Carbon makes bond by substituting iodine, nucleophilic substitution reaction, because carbon-carbon bond is stronger. But what happens with AgCN? In AgCN, We don't have a ambidentate nucleophile. We only have the lone pair on nitrogen, which is available as a nucleophilic electron-rich site, and that is why this nitrogen attacks, and we get NC. Okay, we get NC. Okay, can somebody please tell me? Somebody please tell me why this reaction is important. Preparation of haloalkanes from alcohol by using thionyl chloride. I am writing the products. If you can, if you remember something, please. Do you remember this sign, the upward arrow? Do you remember anything now?
Yeah, they are in gaseous form.
They are gases, so we get pure haloalkane here. Okay, we don't need to purify it, we don't need any filtration. Okay, that is why this is important. This is important. Okay, fine. So a bit of revision is done. And Sanya I haven't received. I guess I have received Mariam's. So Mariam, you have done correct. The SOCl2 you have not done. Iodine and water you have not done. This is the reaction that we have done now. This reaction we have done. Also this, I mean, alcohol preparation that we have done. Kc and Nc, that is right. Okay, fine. I guess this is, yeah, this is Sanya. Okay, so Cl2, no, not Cl2. You will only get Cl. I hope you have corrected it. And from
Yes,
H2O
sir.
you will get OH. C and Nc, you have done it rightly. Very good. Okay, now moving on. A very similar kind of idea and concept as we have seen in KCN and AgCN. Okay, KCN and AgCN. But now the reagent are not KCN and AgCN, but a bit different. The first is reaction of haloalkanes with KNO2. Okay, so what happens here? The same thing will happen here. We will get K plus and NO2 as K plus and NO2 negative as our K plus and NO2 negative as our nucleophile. So if we have carbon, these are the other three bonds, and one of the bond is with halogen, that is X. Now when it reacts with KNO2, you have to remember that this is as K plus and NO2 negative. So NO2 negative, in this we have nitrogen, which is having, this nitrogen has what, how many bonds? You know, it has 4 bonds, and this is oxygen, this is oxygen. This oxygen will be having, wait a second, okay, this oxygen will be having a negative charge like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now as you can see, this nitrogen also have a lone pair. But what is happening here is that this particular whole thing is in resonance. Why it is in resonance? Because as you can see, A double bond B, single bond C, and C has a negative charge or a lone pair electron, and that is why this will be in resonance. This is the one of the conditions for resonance. Nitrogen, oxygen, then I will add a double bond here and the negative charge here. Okay, so now you can see that this oxygen and this oxygen, both the oxygen can attack. But is this an ambidentate nucleophile? Then I will say yes, but it is not due to these two oxygens, because these two oxygens are what? These two oxygens are similar. It can also attack from nitrogen, but the attack from nitrogen does not take place. It takes place from oxygen, and the reason here is there are how many oxygen? 2 oxygens can attack, and only 1 nitrogen can attack, right? So probability of attacking of oxygen is more. Why? Because oxygen is more in number. That is why what will happen here? This carbon will get attached to O, then nitrogen, then you will get double bonded O. Okay, nitrogen double bonded. So this is known as, this is what? Alkyl nitrite. This is alkyl nitrite. Okay, so let me just write here. I'm erasing this part. I will write it down. So as for just explanation, the importance here is what? The importance here is that oxygen attacks the electrophilic carbon Oxygen attacks the electrophilic carbon as the number of oxygen bearing lone pair is greater than greater than nitrogen. Greater than nitrogen. Okay, fine. But the reason, I mean, the attacking should be taking place from nitrogen. Why nitrogen? Because nitrogen is less electronegative. But the next thing that we have to consider also is the number of attacking species. So oxygen is more in number, nitrogen is less in number. So obviously, the species which is more in number, it can attack more. Okay. Now we will have a similar thing. Now we have done with KNO2. Can somebody please, now one thing that I have told you, always try to think what I am going to write now. Okay. So I have done with KNO2. So what is the next reagent that I am going to treat the haloalkanes with? Reaction of haloalkanes with? Reaction of
AgNO2.
Yes, very good. Reaction of haloalkane with AgNO2. Okay. So now if I am writing reaction of haloalkanes with KNO2 and reaction of haloalkane with AgNO2, so can you tell me what will be the product here? I mean, which will be attacking nitrogen or oxygen in AgNO2? Nitrogen will be attacking. Okay. Yes. So I mean, this is something that you have to start making more and more guesses. Okay. Now if you have guessed yourself, it will be easier for you to remember. And reason I will tell you. This is nitroalkane. Nitroalkane. Okay. Now here we have carbon bonded with X, plus we have Ag. Now this Ag is bonded with oxygen like this. I mean, this very similar, this kind of structure is here in AgNO2, but only what is the difference? Instead of carbon, we have oxygen here. And then we have, let me just move these two. Okay. Now we have nitrogen. And after the nitrogen, we have double bond and oxygen. Okay. So as you can see here, like this oxygen will not attack because it is doubly bonded. This oxygen can, yes, it can attack. This oxygen can attack. But if we compare, there is only one nitrogen that can attack and one oxygen that can attack. So which will attack? We will see that which is nitrogen will attack. Why it will attack? Because it is
Less
electronegative. Less electronegative. Now, why if it is less electronegative, then it is attacking? It is attacking. Why? Because if it was more electronegative, then it would hold its electron. It is less electronegative. That means it will not hold the electrons as tightly as oxygen is holding. So the attack would be easy, right? The attack would be easy. Here nitrogen is attacking. Why? Because the numbers are equal now. There is one nitrogen that can attack. There is one oxygen that can attack. But nitrogen attacks. Why? Because it is less electronegative. Okay? Because it is less electronegative. Let me write this point also. Nitrogen attacks as it is less electronegative than oxygen. Okay, less electronegative than oxygen. Mariam, Sania, did you get this? These two reactions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the first one, the reason is
So what does electrophilic means?
electrophilic.
Like oxygen attacks electrophilic carbon. Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me, what do you think electro means
Electricity.
in chemistry? In chemistry,
So I don't know.
three fundamental particles that is present in atom. It is one of those.
Yeah.
What is
Electron.
electron? Electron. Okay. What do you mean by phi or philia?
So I don't know.
Don't know?
No.
Can somebody come up with a word which is having philia or phi?
Philia.
Pedophile.
What did you say, Mariam?
Nucleophile.
Nucleophile is not a
No?
common word. Do you know about phobia?
Yeah.
Zoophobia.
What is phobia, Ahmed?
It's a fear of something.
Fear of something. So, I mean, I'm saying it is the philia is just the opposite of phobia. So, what will be the meaning of philia?
Attraction towards something.
Attraction towards something. Okay. So, electrophilic carbon, that means it is something which loves electron. Something which loves electron. Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now, you know two words, philia also and phobia.
So we
On
knew
that note,
phobia from before. Like we had a session in English class, and she was like, everyone will have to say their phobias.
okay. So, what is your phobia? Do you have any phobia?
Me, I have many. I just
Yeah.
mentioned 4 in class.
You mentioned 4 phobias in class.
Yeah, while everyone did 2 or 1.
Why? I mean, how come you have so much phobia?
So
Is it
everyone
all
have so much phobia, but they are just not mentioning it.
just not mentioning it? Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe.
even you
Just
have maybe.
I maybe I have not experienced it. I don't know, but I can say about heights. I can say about heights. Do you have a phobia for height also?
Yeah,
Acrophobia.
What is that name? Acrophobia.
yeah.
Fear of heights.
That too I know. I guess everyone has some kind of fear of heights.
Sir, some cockroach fear is also there. Like I
Animal.
forgot the name.
But you know, I mean, phobia is kind of it is a disease, I would say. It is a mental illness. So maybe it is not for us. It is not up that extreme that we should label it as phobia.
Sir, do you feel weird when something is being scratched on a board or while writing with a chalk on blackboard?
That's
Oh,
not
oh,
Yes.
phobia.
That is
oh.
just so ew. My body just shivers when I listen to that sound.
It is just uncomfortableness. These are not phobia.
Yeah.
So,
Don't be a victim.
Phobia is when you have been traumatized by a past experience. Not like
Also,
just something I'll feel here.
uh, also, you would be diagnosed for that.
no, sir,
A
I didn't.
clinical
I
diagnosis.
never went to any hospital till now.
So you don't have any phobia. That is just uncomfortableness. Otherwise, I mean, obviously, if you're going to get injection and all, you will obviously you will fear it because it hurts. If somebody will beat you, obviously you will fear that man. But that is not phobia.
Yes, sir.
That is simple survival instincts. Okay, are you done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let us try some questions. Easy ones, okay? Iodine plus KNO2. See, you don't have to remember what the K does, okay? Only remember what Ag does. Okay, what happens if you have Ag? What happens in both the case if you have Ag, the nitrogen is attached. Am I right? In
Yes, sir.
AgCN also, nitrogen is
Yes,
attached.
sir.
In AgNO2 also, nitrogen will be attached, okay? So just remember that, and if you remember for Ag, you will already remember for KNO2 also, okay? As a batch, you will remember all these 4 reaction as a batch, okay? Fatima, do you now know how to send the answers?
Yeah,
Did you send for the earlier one? No.
no, I didn't.
Acha, you
The
didn't.
phone, she was doing some, she was on some call.
Okay,
Yeah,
so send these, but
Okay.
send answers.
Sir, done.
Okay.
so what's the question?
You have to write the major product. I mean, okay. If I don't write, just assume that I'm asking for the major product. Okay. Draw the major product. Okay, fine. Let me do the first two for you. Okay. Otherwise, you guys will be. Do the rest. Let me add.
So I've sent the answer.
Okay. I haven't received yet. I guess Nespresso will send as a batch.
So I'll delete the previous one because all 5 together.
It's fine.
Like, or else it will be 2 pictures, right?
It will be 2 pictures. I mean, I have that much memory in my phone. I can handle 2 WhatsApp images. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I sent.
Okay, you have sent. Okay. Another is also sent. Is it double tick now or no?
Double tick is there, but no blue tick.
No blue
Same.
tick? Okay, fine. Then I will get it. Fatima, was your place influenced by the Yas and Gulab and Taktu, all those cyclones?
No.
No. Okay. No. Okay. Um, Sanya, can you check the third one? No, sorry. The fourth one. Can you check the fourth one, Sanya?
Okay, sir.
Did you get where did you went wrong? Check the fourth one and check the first one. Can you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. So, Fatima, I guess you are writing in a white sheet.
White sheet, black pen.
Is that you, Fatima?
Yeah,
Black pen or is this pencil?
it's actually pen.
Pen, no, pen. Okay, fine. It's pen. ONO, 2 NO2, ONO. It's fine. It's correct. That's correct. I'm waiting for Mariam and Amalia. Mariam and Amalia.
So did you check mine?
Yeah, I checked yours. It's correct. Mariam, difficulty.
I've sent.
So you have sent. Okay. Sorry. Amalia,
Just now.
Sir, I have sent.
Achha, you have also sent. Okay. Yeah, I guess it will be right only. Okay, fine. I got for Amalya. Oh no, NO2. And oh no, NO2. I guess the other one will be. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. Yes, Fatima, check the fifth one. Mariam, correct. Fatima, check the fifth one. Do you see any mistake?
I think I shouldn't have wrote that iodine there.
Yeah, exactly. No? Iodine will be substituted, right? What is happening here is the halogens are substituted by NO2. Now I am writing the products here. In this one, it is AgNO2. If it is Ag, nitrogen will be attached to carbon. Now if this is KNO2, then ONO, because nitrogen will not get attached, and obviously the Cl will leave. Okay, the Cl is the leaving group, and here you have this iodine will leave and you will get NO2. You will get NO2. Okay. Yes, Amalya, it is correct. I have received yours now. Can I move on?
Mine was correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mariam, you're asking? Are you asking that?
Yeah, I was asking if it was correct.
Yeah,
But
it is
now I
correct.
know it's correct. Yeah.
Can you
It is correct, na?
answer?
Yes, sir.
No, it is correct. Okay. Sanya, I haven't received yours, I guess, Sanya.
No, sir, I have sent. You said my fourth one is rock. ONO.
Oh,
I
yeah,
have
yeah, yeah. Sorry,
written
sorry. Yeah,
NO2.
yeah, yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Sorry, sorry.
it's okay, sir.
Every time हो गया ठीक. Okay. So now there rests only 3 more, and these are very easy. These are very easy. Okay. Now I want you to guess it. I want you to guess the answers. Okay. I want you to guess the answers. Now you have reaction of haloalkane. Okay. How can I forget red? Reaction of haloalkane with RCOOAG. Okay, RCOOAG. It is what? It is, now this is what, this is carboxylate, and this is, what is AG?
Aluminium.
What is AG?
Silver.
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 Yes, sir.
है ना? This is silver salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, this is silver salt of carboxylic acid. Fine. Now you have to tell me now how this will be looking. This will be looking as R. We have, first of all, let us write our good old haloalkane. Our haloalkane has CX bond. This is delta negative. This is delta positive. After that, we have R.
Haloalkene now.
No, haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. Haloalkane. Okay. Now this has R, C double bond O, and here we have O, and after here we have AG. Fine. Now you tell me, in this particular reagent, AG will be having delta positive or delta negative?
Delta positive.
Delta
Delta
positive.
negative.
So delta negative. Why delta negative?
Because oxygen has positive, right?
Oxygen has positive. No. Okay, fine. Let us start with the previous question. Okay. These questions. Remember, always remember these questions. Okay. Identify the most electronegative element in your reagent. Most electronegative element. Which is the most electronegative element?
Chlorine.
Huh?
No?
Where do you see chlorine?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Yes, oxygen. So let us write delta negatives on oxygen because it is electronegative, so this will be delta negative. Okay. Now tell me which is the least electronegative element here. Which is the
Carbon.
least electronegative?
Carbon.
Carbon.
Okay, you have carbon, and you have also, what about the silver?
Silver also. Least.
Silver. But what do you think? If we have a competition between carbon and silver, which will be more
Carbon.
electronegative?
Carbon.
Which will
Silver.
Now for that you have to remember phone,
Call.
kal, bro.
Bro.
After that, ISC. Please hold. Now this has become true. I mean, I said ISC. I mean, I did this ISC one for Amalya, and after a week or so, what happened? Do you know? ISC was held. What is ISC? Do you know?
No.
Does anyone know what is ISC?
No.
No. Do you know
International
BSc?
Secondary School.
No.
No, sir.
BSc. You don't know BSc also.
Is it an exam?
Is it? It is a course. Bachelor's of Science, Masters of Science. Now, what is ISC? ISC is intermediate of.
Secondary
Yeah.
School.
Now that has happened. Now ISC has been
Yes, sir.
held. There is no 12th standard examination. So you will remember, right? Phone call,
Yeah.
bro. Phone call,
Call.
bro. After that, ISC.
ISC,
Please
hold.
hold. That was the Twitter storm that was happening. No one was wanting the IC examination, right? So from there you have the electronegativity series. Can you see carbon in this electronegativity series?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
There is carbon. Can you see silver here?
No.
No.
That means it is obviously lower than carbon,
Yes, sir.
right? So I will say that this Ag will be having delta positive, and this will be more delta positive than the carbon. Okay, more delta positive than the carbon, right? So to compensate that positive charge, this oxygen will be more negative. To compensate the more positive, this oxygen will be more negative. Okay, so what we have identified here, that this is the most electron rich
Yes.
source. Correct?
Yes.
Everyone agrees to that? How we identify?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the first question that we will ask? The first question that we will ask is, which is the most electronegative element? We have got most electronegative element. Now we see that one oxygen is bonded to carbon. Only then we compared carbon and silver, because we saw oxygen is attached to carbon, and then we saw oxygen is attached to silver also. Then we said, okay, fine, this will be delta. Well, silver is more electropositive, and that is why this oxygen will be more electron rich. Now in this case, if we ask which is most electronegative element here, so obviously halogen will be most electronegative, delta negative, and this will be delta positive. Now it is very easy. What we have to do, from electron source to electron sink, that is from delta negative to
Positive.
delta positive. Now what will happen? Now this X will leave because it cannot make more bonds. Now oxygen is making 2 bonds. It can have 3 bonds, but this Ag will also leave from here. Okay, so now what will happen? AgX will be formed, and we will also get, this is the carbon, and then we are getting oxygen, which is bonded to carbon, which is bonded to a double bonded oxygen, and after that it is bonded to R, plus we will get AgX. Can you see how this oxygen has attacked the carbon atom? And we have
Yes,
formed,
sir.
what is this? Ester. This is Ester. Okay, so I will write treatment of, you can start writing now. Okay, treatment of, okay, can you all please see this? Okay, fine. I mean, I will not do any stunts now. I would have erased this and asked you to do it on your own. Try to do it on your own. Try to move the arrows. Try to start by, I mean, what happens, the students, you know how they start to write? They start to write like this only. I mean, from left to right. They don't, you have to start from delta negative, delta positive in the substrate, delta positive, delta negative in the reagent. After that, you have to put the arrow. Then you have to form the other compounds. Okay, so don't just copy paste. Use your mind. Put the arrows, put the signs. Treatment of silver salt of carboxylic acid with haloalkane leads to formation of esters. And remember, this R can be any group, okay? Methyl, ethyl, it can be also cyclohexyl, cyclopentyl, any group.
Okay, sir.
Raise your hand when you are done writing this, okay? Waiting for Sanya and Amalya. Is Sanya done? Amalya also done. Now let me give you some questions, okay? What will be the question? Yes, Mariam, tell me. The question is to
Draw the
Find the major product.
draw the major.
product of the
So if you even start guessing these silly points, sir is now going to ask to draw the major products. So slowly you will be starting to guess the chemistry also. The first question is very easy. We have iodine here plus. Now what will happen now? This substrate will be easy to identify, but the reagent here, that is, for example, I will write here starting with easiest one, CH3, C double bond O, and here we have oxygen, and here we have Ag. Okay. Now I will make the few starting products. Now this Ag will leave and this I will leave, and I will get, this is our carbon. Now this carbon will be bonded to oxygen. This oxygen is then bonded to this carbon atom. So this carbon atom has double bonded O, and then there it has CH3. Okay, this has CH3. Now if you cannot remember how to do it, and it will, I mean, you will be able to make the product slowly. So what you can do is number these 1, 2, 3. Then you can number 1, 2, 3. So what is happening? See, first of all, you made 1, 2, 3, and then you join. First of all, make this bond, that is from 1 to 1. Okay, because we know that attack is happening from oxygen to. Okay, so from 1 to 1, you are making a bond. So 1 to 1 is a bond. Then after that, you seek 2. There is 2. There is here we have.
How come oxygen got 1?
How come?
Oxygen got number 1.
I'm just labeling it.
Okay.
I'm not naming it.
Yes, okay.
Okay, I'm just, so after oxygen we have 2, that is carbonyl carbon. Then we have 3, which is methyl. Second, we have here bromine plus. You can get any big group also, like for example, let me take cyclopentyl and cyclohexyl, and we have C double bond O, oxygen, and then we have the Ag, silver. So we'll start from our haloalkane. We will end at our, this is 1 and this is 1. Okay, this is 2, this is 3. In 3 we have a cyclopentyl group. That much we have to remember. First one is oxygen. So this is our first one where we had Br. Now where we had Br, that will be attached to oxygen, and after oxygen we have the carbonyl carbon, and after carbonyl carbon we have the carbon, which is now cyclopentyl carbon. Okay, This is second, this is first, and this is third. Fine. I hope you can make it. Now you can write the byproducts also, that is AGI here, and here you will write AGBR. Okay. The third one, try the third one. Try these two. Now in the fourth one, you have to number what? Both the haloalkane and the silver salt. You will number haloalkane like this: 1. Always number the alpha carbon as 1. Okay, this will help you in making 1-1 bond. This is 1, which is the electrophile, and here you give number 1 to nucleophile, and after that 2 and 3. Don't number this Ag and don't number the iodine here, because these will be leaving. So 1 and then 2, then 3, and then here you will add 4. So first of all, make 1-1 bond. So this is 1, this is 1. Okay, this is 1 and this is 1. So this is carbon, and this one here is oxygen. After that you will have CH3, and then after that you will make the however you want. Okay, I'm not writing the whole product. I've given you an idea how to make the product for the fourth one, how to label it 1 2 3 4.
So finish.
Sent also?
No.
Send it.
Yes. So done.
Okay, label the alpha carbon as 1 if you are labeling, and don't label the halogen and silver here. Don't label halogen and silver. You can make ugly diagrams, okay, that does not look beautiful. You can have all the bonds with different bond lengths, one is small, one is, but the connectivity should be right. The right atom should be at the right place. No, Ahmed.
Okay, sir.
In chemistry, it gets important to see how you are making the diagrams and how you are making the products. Do you take? Acha, okay, fine. Tell me, how was the tuition scene in Bahrain before learning view?
I was just going for one tuition, math.
No, I mean, okay, fine. So there also you have tutors and all.
Yes, we have.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is it like, I mean, in India, everyone goes to tuition. So is it same in Bahrain also?
No,
Almost.
No.
Yes, sir.
it is like half class goes and half class just be like, we are having a master day. You wanna join us? And then they be like, if yes, then okay. If no, then they just stay at
We are
home.
having a.
Match like football game.
Okay. But daily they won't be playing football, na?
Sir, they do like from 4 to 8, 4 hours.
Okay. I mean, there was this joke which was, I mean, circulating in Middle East. It was about two balls. Okay, I mean the football and the dummy that people usually get when they go overseas. I mean that is ruining the Middle East. Is it so?
No,
Football
sir,
and
not everyone.
not
Not
everyone.
everyone have that.
Okay. Okay, fine. Let us see the answers. Okay, I have got Amalya first. Correct. Yes, Amalya, correct. Sanya, can you please redraw them and label 1, 2, 3? Label 1, 2, 3 and redraw. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just redraw and send it, okay? After you have labeled, I mean,
Okay,
1, 2,
sir.
3. Okay, Mariam, that's correct. Mariam, in the third question, you have missed an oxygen.
Yeah, I corrected it now. But I did
Your
not see.
computer. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. This is Ahmed, I guess. Okay, I have not received Fatima. Fatima, I have not received. Fatima, have you sent the answer? Are you here? Am I audible?
Yeah, I'm taking a picture.
Acha, okay, okay, okay. And Sanya, you have to redo it. You have messed up with the connectivity.
Yes, sir.
And if you are copying these two examples that I have drawn here, no, the products that I have made, try to see them, only see them, look at them, read it like this. Oxygen is attacking on the carbon which is attached to iodine. Oxygen is attacking. Try to remember this one sentence, and from this one sentence, try to make the product on your copy on your own without copying the answer from here. Okay. So try to remember these points, like oxygen is attacking the carbon which has iodine attached to it, the alpha carbon.
Sir,
And
I
if you will,
sent the third one. I don't know the fourth one.
so you don't know the fourth one, okay, fine. I mean, it is similar. Fatima,
It is similar to the third one.
the third one, second one, all are similar only. Nothing is different. Only one thing is happening. Carbon is attacking where? Sorry, oxygen is attacking at which carbon?
The first one.
Huh?
The first one and the fourth one, the difference.
First one and the fourth one. No, no. Tell me. Okay, fine. The oxygen is attacking which carbon in 1, 2, 3, 4, one first carbon. What is different about first this one carbon, the carbon which is labeled as 1? Okay, if you are saying something, you are on mute. You unmuted for a while, then you again muted yourself. Okay, again. Okay, just don't get disconnected. Okay, one more thing. Fatima, in your electronegativity series, you have missed carbon, ISC. See that and correct that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Again, okay, fine. It's okay. Okay, see the third one. Can you please unmute yourself? See the third one.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a haloalkane. Can you identify the haloalkane?
Silver bromide.
Sorry. Can you repeat that? What is that? What is the haloalkane here?
Silver bromide.
Silver bromide. In the third one.
CH3.
Haloalkane. I'm asking haloalkane. Which is the haloalkane?
Chlorine.
One or two. With haloalkane. Alkyl halide. One or two. Don't stress, please. I don't want you to stress out. Just say it is not a very tough question, okay? Just say whatever you are feeling. I know you are feeling right. Which one of them is haloalkane? The first one or the second one?
First one.
First one is the haloalkane. Okay, fine. Tell me, in this haloalkane, there are how many carbons?
1, 2, 3.
3 carbons. Okay, so I'm labeling it as 1, 2, and 3. Now tell me, in 1, 2, 3, which one is this chlorine will be having delta negative. This first one will be having delta positive. Correct? Right?
Yes. Yes,
Ah.
yes.
Now this oxygen will attack where? This oxygen which is having lone pair here, it will attack on the first carbon. Correct?
Yes.
This Cl will leave. Can you please keep yourself unmuted?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so you have 1, 2, and 3. See, I am not labeling chlorine, and I'm not labeling what? Silver also. Now you tell me bond is made between 1 and 1, correct?
Yeah.
So I'm
1 and
writing
1.
carbon, oxygen. This carbon is 1, this oxygen is 1, correct? Now this carbon is attached to 2 and 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this oxygen is attached to 2. Now this 2 is attached to oxygen which is double bonded, right? This,
Yeah.
okay. Then the 3 is CH3. And when you are written carbon like this, you have to give hydrogens also, okay? Because when you are writing it like this, it is implied that CH2 is there. But if you are writing explicitly carbon, then you have to show the hydrogens also explicitly. Okay. So similarly, tell me about this one. Tell me about this one again here. 1 and 1. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So carbon, oxygen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this oxygen is 2.
Double
Now
bond
this
of.
carbon double bonded to oxygen, and then CH3. Now let us come to this carbon which is labeled as 1. Now this labeled carbon which is 1, it is bonded to the fourth carbon here, the second carbon here, and the third carbon here, right?
Yes.
So this carbon has 1, 2, and 3 bonds. So I have to show explicitly the fourth one, that is H, hydrogen. Okay.
Okay. 2,
Okay.
3. Okay.
Got that now?
You two hydrogens, right?
No, this carbon is already having, I mean, if I erase one hydrogen, this carbon is having how many bonds?
2, 3. 3.
3 bonds. So how many hydrogens should I give it?
1, 1.
One hydrogen. No? That is why now it will have one hydrogen and it will tetravalent and 4 bonds are complete. Okay. No, Sanya. Did you understand? Did you get where you went wrong, Sanya?
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, wherever you are going wrong, now see, I have done how many questions? 4 questions here, 5 questions here, 6 questions here. Okay. So you always try to redo these questions. Okay. Whenever you have, as you finish this class, because now now you know all the answers, right? So just turn in a blank page, write all the reactions, redo it all the same day. Then only you will remember. Okay. Now let us move on to the next reaction. Just move on to the next reaction. And the next 2 reactions are very easy. The first is reaction with LiAlH4. The first is reaction with lithium aluminium hydride. Okay, this is lithium aluminium hydride, LiAlH4. You don't have to worry so much. I mean, when you will see the reaction, you will find it very easy. I am writing here now Rx plus LiAlH4. Now LiAlH4, it is a hydride releasing agent. It is a reducing agent. It will do what? It will do nothing. It will give RH. Now R is what? R is known as alkyl group. Now what is alkyl? For example, if I have CH4, this is methane. Now if I want to write methyl, what will be the formula? Methyl is
C triple bond X.
triple bond. Just
No?
see the Y. It is CH3 methyl group, na? Methyl.
Oh, okay, sir.
Got it? That is me.
Yes, sir.
What you are saying, what you are saying is YNEN, not L. Okay, this is alkyl. So this is, if this is alkyl, this will be alkane. Why? Because if we have CH3 and an H here, then it is what? Methane. If I have a C2H5 and H here, this will be ethane. So we had R here, that is alkyl, and we get alkane. So what happens when we treat haloalkanes with LiAlH4? What do we get? We get
Alkane.
alkanes. Okay. Treatment of Rx, that is haloalkanes with LiAlH4 forms alkane. Okay. Now simple reaction. The second one is reaction with now we have reaction with organometallic compounds. Okay, we have reaction with organometallic. Oops, now this metallic will be organic metallic, organometallic compound. Now here we have Rx. Now it is reacting with R dash, any alkyl group which is attached with a metal. And what do we get here? We get here R, which is bonded to R dash, and here we get what? MX plus MX. We get MX. So again, this is what? This is
That's
also
a compound, right?
Sorry?
Compound, right?
Oh yeah, sorry. That is organometallic compounds. So these are simple reactions. The first one is whenever you see alkyl halide with LiAlH4, you will make simple alkene and corresponding alkene. Okay. And whenever you see what? Rx with a organometallic compound, that is any alkyl group which is bonded to a metal, for example, lithium and magnesium, these kind of, then you will make alkane. I hope you know that this metal is what this metal is. Metal has the tendency to lose electrons. So if it will be releasing electron, this carbon will be more electronegative. This will be delta positive, and here this is delta positive, and this is delta negative. So delta negative will attack on this R group, and it will get R and R dash. Okay, this is R and R dash. Now in this, what is happening? We have lithium aluminium hydride. Always remember whenever you have hydride, IDE, so there will be H negative. For example, when we say chloride, IDE, whenever you have, you will Cl negative. Okay, similarly, so lithium aluminium hydride, in this hydrogen will be in the H negative form, and you can also see that in lithium aluminium hydride, we have lithium, which is a metal, we have aluminium, which is a metal, and both of them, if they are metal, they will be electron releasing. Yeah, they will not be electronegative. So the most electronegative is hydrogen. So if the hydrogen cleaves, it will cleave as H negative. It will break as H negative, and H negative here, which is electron rich, it will attack the R group here. Okay. Simple reactions, just remember LiAlH4 and organometallic compound, any alkyl metals. Okay.
So will the side product be LiAlX?
No, don't have to remember the side product. It is complex.
Okay, sir.
And also, it is not side product; it is byproduct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this byproduct.
Okay, sir.
I mean, as of now, you don't have to know the difference between side and byproducts, side products and byproducts. But there is a difference between side products and byproducts. Side products and byproducts. Raise your hand if you're done. We'll look at some of the questions.
They're done.
Okay, I'm waiting for others. So we have, okay, do you have holidays before your examination?
No.
Yes, we will have 1 day off, I guess.
1 day.
1 day off, okay. I'm just
It
asking.
will be the study leave for the first exam
Okay.
on 12th.
Then we have 3 more classes here. It is difficult to complete even alcohol.
Sir, in alcohol, teacher said only the preparation is coming.
Really, only preparation?
Yeah.
Okay,
Today she
fine.
completed our portion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only preparation. Okay, and then alcohols can be completed for preparation. Okay, everyone is done. So now I will give you some questions. Okay, easy ones. What should I write? What is the question?
Draw
Draw the
the major
product for
product.
main product,
Yeah, draw the
major product.
major product, main products. So in first one, you have simple iodine. Plus you have to react this with LiAlH4. Okay. Br. You have to react this with okay. See, now these two, this is easy. Instead of iodine, what is happening here? Wherever you had X, you have to write H. Okay, so X is replaced by hydrogen. So first one is easy. The X here, that is halogen, here is iodine. Iodine will be replaced by hydrogen. That is that, only this much. Now the second case, what is happening? We have Rx and then we have Rm. Okay, now here this bonding is important. Okay, here this bonding is important. In this we have to identify delta positive is here, the delta negative is here. So you have to label this as 1 and this is also 1. Okay, if this is 1, don't label lithium and bromine. 1, 2, 3 and 4, also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now first of all, what do I have to do? I have to make 1 bond, that is carbon carbon. Both of them are carbon, so carbon carbon. This is 1 and this is also 1. Now let us take this and complete our haloalkane portion. So this 1 is connected to 2, then the second is connected to second carbon is connected to the third carbon, and this one carbon, this the first carbon, is also connected to the fourth carbon. Similarly, let us look at the organometallic compound here. Now this carbon that is labeled as 1 in organometallic compound, it is connected to fourth carbon here. This is 1 I am writing here, 1 and 1, and then it is connected to the second carbon. Okay, now this second carbon is then connected to the third carbon. Okay, so if you will make product like this, and then you have to add the hydrogen, obviously. So the hydrogen, 1 hydrogen here and 1 hydrogen here. So if you want to make the bond line structure, it will be, see, this is dirty now. Okay, this is ugly. So what you have to do, if you have to make it more clear, so you will just see 1 2 3 1 2, and then you have again a carbon here, then down, then 1. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in this you have a methyl group here and a methyl group here. Okay, so this is the beautiful one that you want always to make. But first of all, you have to go through some ugliness. Okay, then only you will get the beautiful product. Now let me give you the questions. Label these. Okay, label these, then only if you are just copying it 1 2 3 4, then you will not understand.
Sir,
What is R? R is anything, the alkyl group, the general thing, alkyl group, any alkyl group. Mariam, you are saying something?
yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, can you use a different number for the next one? Like the first alkyl you wrote with 1 2 3 4, and the next one with something else. Because now there is 2 1 2 2, and it's so confusing.
That is why I'm saying, na, if you will copy it, then it will be confusing, because you are trying to write from here, but where you have to write from here, na? I've made this particular compound from these two substrates.
Yeah.
You know the sequence. First, what did I do? If you're starting to make from this carbon, then you will obviously go wrong. You have to start from which carbon? The first carbon and this first carbon. Okay, try it, don't worry. Okay, Mariam, don't worry, don't try to copy this. Start from the carbon which is labeled as 1, start and make a bond and label this as 1. Now after you have labeled, choose any one, choose the alkyl halide, because I mean from the left side, and then you give it the fourth carbon, then you give it the second carbon and the third carbon to the second carbon. Then you see, okay, fine, it has, this is number 1 and this is number 1. And this carbon has how much? It has 3, so you will give it a 4, that is hydrogen. Now you go to the carbon which is labeled as 1 of the organometallic compound, and here what you have to do, you have to give it a number 4, and then you have to give it a number 2. You give it number 2 here like this, then you give it a number 3 like this. Easy. So if you follow the process, it will be easy, but if you start to follow, if you want to remember the products, it will be tough. Try to follow the process. Now don't fear these two. Okay, this is very easy. You just have to label up till where just have to label up till the carbon from where the ring starts. Okay, so don't worry. Make the delta positive, delta negative, make the attack. You have to label the delta positive as 1, delta negative as 1. Okay, make the bond, and then remember to number not the whole cycle. Okay, not the whole ring. You just have to label the other carbons. Okay, and I will be leaving you when you are done with these two questions. Okay, I'm leaving you half an hour early because I have my presentation due. I want to see my presentation for the one last time.
So in the fourth question, the second one is a pentagon, yeah?
Sorry, fourth question.
Question, the second diagram is a pentagon, yeah?
It is not a pentagon. It is cyclopentane.
Yeah.
Pentagon. Does any one of you here follows those UFO stories?
No.
sir.
Boring. Boring.
So any alien was found?
No, I mean not alien.
Then
They are like the US government is like we are stopped. They have one, I guess it is known as SETI or something. It is search for extraterrestrial creatures or something like that. They told that we are stopping that program, but the search is not ended. The search has not ended, and there was this New York Times article which was also very fishy. New York Times. Okay. Yes. Okay. US finds no evidence of alien technology in flying objects, but can't rule it out either. You understand? US
yes,
finds
it
no
is
evidence.
so it
Sorry?
is like taking water in a spoon and being like there are no sharks in ocean.
I mean, no. The thing is that, I mean, whatever people has seen, or what and I mean those Navy people have seen and observed, and there are some videos also. Okay, so I mean about them, it is about them. So they don't know what is happening. And do you know this app Clubhouse?
Yes.
Yes, you know Clubhouse. So just today only I was in one of those rooms in which they were discussing, and I mean it is not those only, what can I say, conspiracy theorists, but there was one, this scientist, I don't know what is his name. Yes, Eric Weinstein. Okay, Eric Weinstein, and he's from Harvard University. So he was also there, and they were asking about the probabilities. What can it be? So they came up to 3 probabilities. First is that it can be some alien technology. I mean, whatever is there, it can be some alien technology. Okay, it can be some alien technology. Or the second thing is that it can be something of the government, but secret. Why it is secret? Because it is highly advanced. When you have highly advanced technology, then you don't want to show it off to others. I mean the other countries. The third thing is, and this is interesting, the third thing is, now if you, I mean, Google a bit and read a bit, all these UFOs, what you tell now, they are now seen on sea and oceans.
Yes.
Right, sea and oceans. So one of the people, he said that these, whatever you are finding as UFO or something which is not comprehensible, like what we are seeing, so these are of earth, but from future. Okay, now why from future, and why does ocean and seas? Can anybody relate why ocean and seas? What is the importance of ocean and seas and future?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
We are wasting water.
We are wasting
And
water now. And anything else? So
Time.
what one of
we are polluting it, right? So they need water for future.
no, water will be so much. Water will be in, I mean, we will not have scarcity of water. Exactly. That is
But
also
drinking
seawater we will not
water,
have. Drinking water is fine, but seawater we will not have scarcity. They are on seas and oceans to measure the climate change. Because when the greenhouse gases increases, what happens? The sea
climate
level
changes.
rises, right? The sea level rises, and that is why they are seeing much on seas and oceans. So I have given you 3 theories now. You can believe any one of them if you want. I mean, which will excite you the most, by the way? 1, 2, 3.
3.
None of them.
Which one? 3,
3.
na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3. Hmm. I
ഞാൻ
mean, for me,
ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് കാര്യം പറയട്ടെ
for me also it is 3.
അല്ല അല്ല ക്ലബ് ഹൗസ്
Fatima, did you send the answer?
So I've sent the answer.
third one.
Yeah. Okay, I have received the answers. Let me see. Okay. You all are having problem with the fourth one.
Sir,
Somebody
did you
did
check
try
mine?
the. Sorry.
Did you check mine?
Wait a second. Yeah, that is correct. Yours is correct, Ahmed. Okay, let me erase these theories here. Let us come back to reality.
So I'll draw an emoji for
You will draw
getting
an
correct
emoji.
answer. Yeah,
What do you mean?
for getting correct answer, I will draw an emoji.
Where will you draw an emoji?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. So he's very happy. Okay, fine. So let us go to the process. Okay, what is our process? The process is to find the delta. We have to find the delta. We have to find the delta positive here. This is delta positive, and this carbon here, this is delta negative. So what you had to do, you had to only add these two. Okay, so I'm writing delta positive here. So you had to just make a bond here, remove this iodine and remove this lithium. Okay, this was that easy. You don't even have to number anything. So what I'm making, I'm just making this cyclohexane and the carbon here and a bond here. Okay, then I am making a bond simply like this. Okay, simply straight bond. Now this straight bond is to the delta negative, and this delta negative has a bond above it. Now lithium, I cannot make lithium because lithium is left. Even if you sent me this was also okay. You to see, this was easy, right? Delta positive, delta
Why
negative. You
is
just
my
had to.
answer correct?
No, your answer is not correct. Can't you see that?
So my
How?
figure does not look like your figure.
It does not look like my figure. Okay, fine. See how to check it. First of all, check the cyclohexane carbon, which is tertiary. Okay, then move one bond. Now this carbon is what? This carbon is again tertiary. For you also it is tertiary.
Yes, sir.
Then move one more bond. You found tertiary carbon.
Yes, sir.
Then move one bond towards the cyclopentyl. You found cyclopentyl.
Yes, sir.
So it is correct. It's the same thing.
Okay, sir.
Mariam, you have written hydrogens there.
Yes, sir.
And the number of carbon 1, it is not correct. It is not correct. You understand how it is not correct, no?
Yeah.
So you have to do was, I mean, just see, I mean, if you can draw a dotted line and connect, just do that, because that is just the connectivity is happening. Iodine and lithium are leaving here. Okay. So I'm done with today's class. In the next class, we will learn about, there remains some of the reactions, that is elimination reaction. We are just done with the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay. So then we have to do elimination reactions. The second one is we have to do, after that we have to do reaction with metal, reaction with metals. This is all for haloalkane. After that you will be figuring out about haloarenes. In haloarenes you will see electrophilic, aromatic substitutions, ortho, meta or para. Then after that you will see nucleophilic substitutions. Okay, for a while nucleophilic substitution, I mean, yeah, almost this much is only left, and we will meet tomorrow. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow.
Inshallah. Thank you.
Thank
Sir.
you,
You-
sir.
okay,
Thank you,
welcome.
sir.
And you will get to know the timing. Okay, wait a second, I've received one of the answers now. Yeah, that is correct. I guess Sanya has sent me now. Yeah, that is correct. Future as in parallel universe. Amalya is asking. Parallel universe. We don't know actually. We don't know if it is parallel universe or from our universe only.
So, but they are like saying that if you can pass through a black hole, like you have to be more faster than that, then you will get into parallel universe.
You will get somewhere. I mean, nobody can tell where you will get if you enter a black hole, but that is way theoretical.
Yes, sir.
And also one more thing is there. Now, if you alter something at past, you will mess up with the timelines. Okay, you will mess up with the timelines. For the example, there is this grandfather grandson paradox. You have a grandson. Okay, you have a grandson. So what does he do? He goes back into time and he kills his grandfather. Now this is timeline. Here you have this grandson.
Vanishes.
It is, for example, 19 years old. Okay, and he kills his grandfather when he was of 10 years old. So is this possible?
No.
Maybe, but he would not be alive
You would
if
not
Yeah,
that
exist.
is.
exactly. So this is a paradox. I mean, if he goes and kill, I mean, you cannot say what is happening here. So what is going to happen or not happen? So this is one of the paradox that if you try to change something from the past, you will mess up with the timelines of the future also. So that theory of whether it is from future, I mean, it is kind of, but I mean, I believe that future one only because the government is trying to hide something, and if it was UFO, okay, fine, there will be people who would be interested, but not many. I will say in 100 only 10 people are interested in UFO. If it is advanced technology, if it is tech which the government is hiding, I would say only 5 people are interested in tech, even more or less. But if it is future, I would say more than 50% would be interested in knowing what is happening, and it will create a havoc and chaos. So I mean, by the chaos, I would say that future is one of the options that is more relatively higher in the sequence where the government wants to hide it. Only from that speculation is there. Let me go now. Okay, and
Thank you, sir.
make go for my presentation.
All the
Thank
best.
you,
Sure,
Tanya.
sir.
All the
Sure.
best, sir. Thank you,
The
sir.
best, sir.